Hi my friends. The trend does not always happen in the market. Research has shown that 30% of the time the market is in the trend, and the remaining 70% is in the range mode. Many traders lose when the market is in the range mode. If there is an indicator made help us to recognize the market trend or market range, it will be great. Alligator indicator helps us to recognize the market trend. Maybe many people have talked about it and explained its classic method. But today, I want to teach you another method that you have not heard about in addition to its classic method. Stay with me until the end of this video. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, click on the subscribe button, and like the video and click on the bell, to be informed about the latest contents of the channel. This training, like other trainings of our channel, is suitable for crypto market and forex market. As I said before, the alligator indicator helps us to understand whether the market is in a trend or range. This indicator is very easy to use and does not need special settings because its settings are predetermined. This indicator was invented by Mr. Bill Williams, and I must say about Bill Williams that he is the author of many books about trading, and one of his famous books is Trading Chaos. This indicator can be used as an auxiliary tool along with other indicators. To add the alligator indicator to the chart, we type the word alligator in the indicator section. We click on William Alligator to be added to the chart. You can see it on the chart. We enter his settings. This indicator consists of 3 lines with values of 13 and 8, and 5 is formed. The first line is called alligator lips, which is 5 and includes the green line. The second line is alligator teeth, which includes the red line. The third line is the alligator jaw, which is blue in color. You can also change the color and thickness of the lines in the style section. The green line is faster and indicates that we should be in the short or long position. First, I will explain the classic situation. In the classic method, the green line or the alligator lip crosses the other 2 lines up. We can enter the buy transaction. And if it is stated that if the green line or the alligator lip crosses the other 2 lines down, enter the sell transaction. In the market, with this tool, we can distinguish whether the market is in a range or has an upward or downward trend. If the line is on top of each other, it is a range market, and if the lines are far from each other, it is a bearish and bullish market. If the market is in a range, so to speak, it is said that the alligator is sleeping. This indicator can also show us the strength of the trend. The more the lines are separated from each other, the more intense the trend is, and when the lines are on top of each other, it means that we do not have a particular trend. With this indicator, we can let's recognize the completion of the trend. When the lines meet each other, we should prepare to close our position. So we conclude that if the green line crosses the other 2 lines upwards, we have a buy signal, and if the green line crosses the other 2 lines it crossed down, we have a sell signal. But if you use this indicator alone, you may face losses at times because this indicator has a delay, and the buy and sell signals are issued with a delay, and at the time of entry, the market may have traveled a long way from the trend path. You may face loss. But I know a better way that I want to share with you. The way that I want to explain to you is very dependent on the green line. Whenever the line was above the other 2 lines and the price went down and closed below the red line, after that we enter the transaction and place our stop above the green line. The target can be selected in 2 ways. The first method is to follow the green line, and whenever the price hits the green line, we close our trade there. If you look, it offers a good win rate ratio. Another method of profit limit is to trail stop. You can use these 2 methods for targeting. Let's see some examples together. This method is excellent in all times, but it is better to use it in high times like 1 hour and above, because in these times there is less error and there is less noise in the market, and it can give us better and more stable profits. In addition to this strategy, you can also use an EMA with a period of 200, which is very helpful. The way to work with this EMA indicator is that, if the upper part of the EMA line is 200, we only use the bullish alligator signal, and if the price is low, this was the line, we only use the downward signal of this indicator. In this way, the error signal is also filtered. I hope this strategy helps you and you get good profits from it. Stay safe until the next tutorial.